How to fix dev error 5573 in Warzone on Windows PC and console. PC, 1. Verify the integrity of your game files in battle.net client. 2. Install all Windows updates. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Perform a clean boot. 5. Rebuild your settings. To do so, delete all files inside the Call of Duty Modern Warfare / Call of Duty folder at %user profile %documents. PC and console, 1. Change to windowed mode. Add Options Graphics. Then set display mode to windowed in the display section. 2. Try another account. 3. Switch to Modern Warfare operators. 4. Switch loadouts or cosmetics.